What if I told you that the widespread belief that growing older means becoming frail and weak is not just a pessimistic outlook, but a scientifically proven myth? We are often told that a decline in strength is an inevitable part of aging, a chapter we must simply accept. But the truth is far more empowering. You possess the ability to influence how you age, to maintain your vitality, and to live with strength and independence for years to come. If you believe that aging gracefully should also mean aging strongly, then you have found the right place. In this video, we will dismantle old myths and reveal the powerful, science-backed nutritional secrets to preserving your muscle health. We are going to introduce you to 5 incredible foods, many of which may already be in your kitchen, that contain even more muscle-building protein than eggs. Before we uncover these amazing foods, please take a moment to support our mission. If you find this information valuable, click the like button below and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential, science-backed health content designed specifically for you and your loved ones. Your support allows us to continue creating content that empowers our community. Now, let's begin. There is a silent process that affects nearly 1 in every 4 people over the age of 60. A condition that often goes unnoticed until its effects become undeniable. This gradual weakening is called sarcopenia. It's not a disease, but rather the medical term for age-related muscle loss. It doesn't happen overnight. It is a slow, creeping change that manifests in subtle ways. You might feel unexpectedly winded after carrying in the groceries, or notice a new difficulty when climbing a flight of stairs that was once effortless. Perhaps you find that a short walk leaves your legs feeling unusually tired and heavy. These are the early whispers of sarcopenia. The core challenge we face as we age is that our bodies change how they handle nutrients. Specifically, our ability to process and utilize protein becomes less efficient. This means that to achieve the same muscle-maintaining results, our bodies actually require more high-quality protein than they did in our younger years, not less. Unfortunately, a common mistake is to reduce protein intake, thinking it's easier on the body. This leads to the opposite of the desired effect. It can accelerate muscle breakdown, create problems with balance, significantly increase the risk of falls, and reduce overall mobility. The good news is that this is not a foregone conclusion. By making intelligent choices and understanding what your body truly needs, you can fight back effectively. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. This means choosing foods packed with high-quality, easily absorbed protein that is perfectly suited for your body's current needs. For decades, eggs have been hailed as a champion of protein. Let's give them their due credit. They are undoubtedly a nutritional staple for very good reasons. They are affordable, incredibly versatile, quick to prepare, and they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to function. They are certainly a good food, and they have a rightful place on your plate. However, relying on them as your primary or ultimate protein source means you may be missing out on far more powerful options. Here is the crucial fact that most people are unaware of. 100 grams of eggs contain only around 13 grams of protein. While that is a respectable amount, it is far from unbeatable. In contrast, a variety of other foods not only surpass that protein level, but also deliver unique compounds and nutrients that are scientifically shown to help seniors maintain and even rebuild muscle mass more effectively. So, while we appreciate eggs for what they are, it's time to look beyond them to unlock the next level of muscle-supporting nutrition. Our first food that dramatically outperforms eggs is a familiar favorite found in kitchens all around the world: chicken. But what many don't realize is just how powerful it is, specifically for older adults aiming to maintain their strength and mobility. While eggs are often praised, chicken delivers almost twice the protein. A modest serving of just 100 grams of cooked chicken breast provides an impressive 27 grams of complete, high-quality protein. Compare that to the 13 grams from the same amount of eggs, And you can see how this difference becomes incredibly significant for older adults whose bodies naturally struggle more with rebuilding and maintaining muscle. But the benefits of chicken go far beyond its protein count. It is rich in two highly beneficial compounds, creatine and leucine. Think of creatine as a cellular fuel source for your muscles. It helps them recover more quickly after physical exertion and actively reduces fatigue. This is crucial for seniors who may find they tire more easily or feel sore after a simple walk or lifting objects. Meanwhile, leucine, an essential amino acid, acts as a powerful signal to your body. It essentially tells your body's systems to prioritize creating and preserving muscle mass, a vital function when physical activity might be limited. For any adult over 60 noticing early signs of muscle weakening, joint instability, or reduced balance, a diet rich in leucine can help slow down and in some cases even help reverse these symptoms. For optimal benefits, aim for a daily serving of about 100 to 150 grams of cooked chicken, which is roughly the size of your palm. But quantity is only half the equation. Preparation is absolutely critical. Aggressive cooking methods like deep frying or charring on a grill at high heat can destroy these precious nutrients and even create harmful compounds. To preserve chicken's muscle-protecting benefits, always choose gentle cooking methods, such as steaming, poaching, or baking with a light drizzle of healthy olive oil. And here is an expert tip. To boost your body's absorption of vital minerals from the chicken, like zinc and iron, which are essential for muscle tone and endurance, pair it with vegetables rich in vitamin C. A meal of baked chicken served with a side of red bell peppers, for example, creates a powerful synergy that enhances the bioavailability of these nutrients, further supporting your recovery and strength. From the powerhouse of the poultry world, our journey now takes us to the high plateaus of the Andes Mountains, the ancestral home of a tiny seed that holds a universe of nutrition within its humble form, quinoa. Though it may appear unassuming, quinoa's nutritional value is truly immense, and it has rightfully earned its modern title as a genuine superfood. For any older adult seeking to meticulously preserve their muscle strength, maintain steady, reliable energy levels throughout the day, and build a resilient body, this ancient grain is nothing short of a nutritional masterpiece. Let us first examine its remarkable protein profile. A single 100-gram serving of cooked quinoa delivers a potent 14 grams of high-quality, plant-based protein, providing your body with a powerful dose of clean fuel. But the true magic of quinoa lies in a detail that sets it dramatically apart from nearly all other plant-based foods. It is one of the very few plants on Earth that is classified as a complete protein. This means it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of life that our bodies cannot produce on their own and must acquire from food. For seniors, whose bodies often face increasing challenges with muscle repair and the complex process of protein synthesis, this feature is critically important. Obtaining all these essential building blocks from a single, easy-to-digest source is a game-changer. And quinoa perfectly fulfills this vital nutritional need where so many other foods fall short. However, to focus solely on quinoa's protein would be to tell only a fraction of its incredible story. This superfood is also a veritable treasure trove of essential minerals, each playing a direct and supportive role in the intricate functions of your muscles, nerves, and heart. Consider magnesium, the body's natural calming agent, which is found in abundance in quinoa. It helps your muscles relax after use and is a wonderful aid for promoting deep, restorative sleep. It is also rich in potassium, a crucial electrolyte that helps maintain a steady, consistent heart rhythm, which is fundamental to cardiovascular health. Quinoa delivers a healthy dose of iron, the vital mineral responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body, directly combating the persistent fatigue that can diminish one's quality of life. Furthermore, it contains phosphorus, a key player in strengthening bones and supporting healthy joint function, working alongside calcium to build a resilient skeletal frame. This unique and powerful symphony of nutrients makes quinoa an ideal food for improving overall stamina, preventing painful muscle cramps, and enhancing your day-to-day mobility. Beyond muscle and bone, quinoa serves as a guardian of your energy and digestive wellness. Thanks to its composition of complex carbohydrates and a high fiber content, quinoa has a remarkable ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. It provides a slow, sustained release of energy, which means it can help you avoid those sudden and draining energy crashes that often occur in the afternoon, a benefit that is especially helpful for anyone managing type 2 diabetes. This incredible fiber content also works to promote excellent gut health, minimize uncomfortable bloating, and support healthy weight management by keeping you feeling satisfyingly full for a longer period, reducing the urge for unhealthy snacking. To unlock the absolute maximum benefit from this nutritional giant, a few simple preparation steps are highly recommended. First, it is wise to soak your quinoa for at least 6 hours before cooking. This easy process helps to significantly reduce naturally occurring compounds called phytates, which can act as nutrient blockers and interfere with your body's ability to absorb all the valuable minerals quinoa has to offer. For an extra touch that enhances both flavor and nutritional access, you can lightly toast the seeds in a dry pan before boiling them. This deepens their delightful, mild, nutty taste and improves their digestibility. With its soft texture and incredible versatility, quinoa is perfect for any meal, whether as a warm breakfast bowl with fruit and nuts, the hearty base of a savory salad, or a nutritious component in evening dishes. For the best results in your health journey, aim to incorporate 1 cup of cooked quinoa into your daily menu. By doing so, you are making a smart, delicious, and powerful move toward healthy, strong, and vibrant aging. If there is one plant-based food that deserves a permanent place in every senior's diet, it is soy. Delivering approximately 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, soy is another of the rare plant sources classified as a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids the human body cannot make itself. This is a critical advantage for older adults, as maintaining adequate protein intake becomes increasingly vital with age to preserve muscle mass, mobility, and overall resilience. But what makes soy a true superfood for aging bodies is its dual-action support for both muscle preservation and bone integrity. One of soy's most outstanding features is its rich content of isoflavones, which are natural plant compounds that have gentle, estrogen-like effects in the body. As we age, and particularly for postmenopausal women and older men, the natural decline of hormones can lead to a thinning of the bones and a much greater risk of fractures. Soy's isoflavones step in to provide plant-based support, helping to boost bone density and slow the progression of osteoporosis. Scientific studies have consistently demonstrated that seniors who consume soy regularly experience slower muscle breakdown, particularly when this is combined with moderate physical activity. For daily consumption, nutritionists recommend around 250 to 300 grams of fresh soybeans or soy milk, or 100 to 150 grams of tofu or tempeh. To maximize its nutritional benefits, it is advised to soak raw soybeans in warm water for at least 6 hours to reduce compounds that can interfere with mineral absorption. Next, let's turn our attention to a modest legume that is often underestimated, but is, in fact, a nutritional powerhouse: the lentil. Just a 100-gram cooked portion of lentils offers approximately 9 grams of high-quality, plant-based protein, which plays a key role in preserving our lean muscle mass as we age. As sarcopenia, or muscle decline, becomes a greater concern for older adults, including protein-rich foods like lentils in the daily diet becomes more important than ever. But lentils do far more than just support your muscles. They are an exceptional source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for aiding digestion, supporting a healthy gut, and helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This is a major benefit for older adults managing diabetes or those who experience energy dips after meals. The fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, helping to manage appetite and weight, which is especially important for those with slower metabolisms. Lentils are also loaded with iron to help reduce fatigue, folate to boost brain health and support memory, magnesium for muscle relaxation and sleep, and potassium to help balance blood pressure and protect the heart. Furthermore, lentils are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which is especially beneficial for older individuals dealing with joint stiffness or arthritis. The ideal serving is 150 to 200 grams of cooked lentils daily. And like quinoa, it is best to soak your lentils overnight before cooking to reduce phytates and improve nutrient absorption. For our final food, we turn to the dairy aisle for what might seem like a simple food, but one that holds extraordinary value for older adults: cottage cheese. With approximately 11 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams, this soft cheese offers a rich supply of essential nutrients in a light, easy-to-digest form. Its most powerful feature is its primary protein, called casein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein, and this is its secret weapon. It provides your body with a steady, gradual release of amino acids over several hours. Imagine a protein source that continues working long after you've finished your meal, constantly supplying your muscles with the building blocks they need to repair and prevent breakdown. This long-lasting fuel is incredibly useful for seniors, supporting physical vitality throughout the day and even through the night. In addition, cottage cheese is an excellent source of calcium, which is fundamental for supporting bone density and helping to prevent conditions like osteoporosis. It also contains a healthy dose of vitamin B12, a vital nutrient for nerve function, brain health, and energy metabolism. Since the body's ability to absorb vitamin B12 often declines with age, cottage cheese offers a gentle and effective way to maintain healthy levels. It's also naturally low in fat, making it an ideal choice for managing weight or supporting heart health. For anyone who finds the texture slightly too firm, a simple trick is to soak it in cold water briefly, which softens it for a smoother, more pleasant consistency. Staying healthy and strong as you age does not require complicated, restrictive diets or searching for rare ingredients. The true secret lies in making smart, simple choices every single day. It's about the powerful synergy created when you combine a few nutrient-rich foods into meals that are not only easy to digest, but are also deeply nourishing for your muscles, bones, and brain. Let's illustrate this with a perfect example: a quinoa, lentil, and cottage cheese power salad. Start with a base of 100 grams of cooked quinoa to supply that complete plant-based protein and fiber. Then, add 50 grams of cooked lentils for their iron, folate, and powerful antioxidants. Next, gently mix in 50 grams of cottage cheese to provide that slow-releasing casein protein and bone-supporting calcium. Toss in a colorful mix of fresh vegetables like crunchy cucumber and sweet cherry tomatoes for hydration and vitamins. Finally, dress it all with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for healthy fats and a splash of fresh lemon juice to enhance the flavor and add vitamin C. This delicious, satisfying meal takes under 15 minutes to prepare, and it brings balance, strength, and satisfaction without any heaviness. The key is not complexity, it is consistency. By creating thoughtful combinations and eating regular, nourishing meals, you are giving your body the exact tools it needs to stay resilient and strong. As the renowned health expert Frank Suarez so wisely said, "Health is not a matter of luck, but of knowledge." And now, armed with this knowledge, you have the power to live with more energy, more joy, and more strength alongside the people you love. If this video has helped you, please share it with your family and friends, and continue to follow our channel for more health insights that can truly make a difference.